welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info Systems LLP, and today we'll see how we can manage the layers in Photoshop. So let's start. So let's add width and the height 1080. So our canvas is ready, and let's add a circle and let's create another, and we have now. So let's arrange it. Okay, and reduce size a little. So now let's add the layering. As you can see, this is the ellipse one, and let's add layer 1, and here add layer 2 since we have two circles. So let's assign it and let's select any color. Okay, layer 2, let's add the color. Okay, so we have two different layers, layer 1 and layer 2, and we have assigned these shapes to each layer. Now let's add a text. I'll search for lorem ipsum and enter generator. So since we need a text, we'll copy any of the text from here, and let's copy this one, and yes, Control C, and let's select text. So this is our text box, and let's paste. Let's select the font style and the font size. Let's keep it 28. Okay, this works. So our layer 1 and layer 2 are ready. Also we have a layer of text. Let's name it layer 3. We can hide it. We can also add color to it for our ease. And let's add a color here as well. Let's add blue. So we have three different layers. We can hide it accordingly. So it will show only text layer, and depending upon the type of the layer we have. So these are all our layers for now. Okay, layers. Now let's check again layers. So here we have the layers tab. From here let's go to okay. So this was all for this video. Kindly stay updated with us.